So this is how it looks when you wear it, and this is the XL size of the gloves. It looks very good. I mean, the guards which are given and the sliders which are given, and the cloth is also very smooth, and it is very comfortable to wear. And we'll show you how I can. The best thing was they given a small sticker. Previous designs of Rynox gave a very big sticker. So this is how it looks when you wear it, and it's pretty good. And it has also some elastic handlers where we can drag this, and which will help us to adjust the gloves based on the hand. And this also has a fingertip for phone control, so you can directly control the mobile from this one. And it just feels very good, and you can see this how it was looking. And when riding the bike also, it just feels very aggressive and all. This is the black version, Air GT, and you can see the branding here and the Rynox. And there are these sliders as well, two sides, and here it was little smooth. Expected a little grip here, but it was okay, but to handle. And these are very good. This guards, knuckle guards, and there is a reflector here on the night times, which was shown in this website. And the fingers are also very fitting very good. It was the L size. Basically, I ordered an XL size in the Moto Drift website. Since Rynox store, it was out of stock. After that, since Moto Drift is in Bangalore, I went directly to the Moto Drift and tried the XL one, and it was a little loose for me, so I returned the product and exchanged with an L version, and this was very good, and it fit perfectly for me. And I feel there are this thread are coming. I think this will be there for every gloves, but the look you see, right, it was very good. And when I was driving my GT also, it was this is my first time trying this gloves, so I felt a little discomfort, but since it is my first time, but I think it will just get used to it once I continuously drive on the gloves and in the city and outside the city. So that's all for the review of Rynox gloves. And if you wanna buy, this is a very budget friendly one, under 3650 right now in the store, so you can definitely try this out. And I will say you first go to the store and try it yourself, because the sizes are a little different when compared to the different models. So I would suggest you go to the store in Rynox and try them, so that would be better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.